I almost never started. I was afraid to fail, until one day I tried. I didn't know how to build apps. I didn't have money for expensive courses. I didn't have years of experience, and I definitely didn't feel ready. All I had was an idea and a lot of fear. Every night, I would sit in front of my laptop, staring at a blank screen, wondering if I was wasting my time. I watched others succeed and thought, that's not for me. I'm not smart enough. I'm too late. But one evening, I made a decision. I stopped waiting for the perfect moment, and I started. I opened my laptop, asked artificial intelligence for help, and told it what I wanted to build. Step by step, line by line, the app began to take shape. It wasn't perfect. I made mistakes. I broke things. And sometimes I wanted to quit. But every error was a lesson, and every small win gave me more confidence. And then, something incredible happened. My first app actually worked. Not a demo, not a concept, a real working application. I installed it on my phone, shared it with my friends, and for the first time, I believed in myself. That moment changed everything, because I realized something simple. You don't need to be a genius. You don't need permission. You don't need money. You only need the courage to try. If you're watching this right now and you feel stuck or afraid to start, this is your sign. Open your laptop, ask AI for help, and build your first app. If I can do it, so can you. Once the app was finished, I uploaded it to Google Play, and look at this graph. In just a few days it started climbing, and I was already earning from an app built with AI. Then I built a few more apps, and my earnings grew. That's why I decided to share my journey with you to prove that it's 100% possible. I've already built one app from zero on my channel, and you can follow along and build it with me. And there's a lot more coming, because I want to help someone else change their life just like I changed mine. You don't need permission. You don't need money. You don't need a perfect plan. And you don't need to be a genius. You don't have to wait for the right moment, because the right moment is now. Everything you need is already in front of you: your phone, your laptop, and the courage to try. This app you're watching right now didn't come from a big company. It came from one decision: to stop waiting and start building. So if you're tired of dreaming and ready to create something real, start today, because your first app can change your life. The full tutorial is waiting for you on my channel, step by step, from zero, completely free. No shortcuts, no hidden tricks, just real progress. If you've ever thought about building your own app, this is your moment. You don't need permission to start. You don't need a big budget. You don't need years of experience. All you need is the decision to try. Everything you're watching right now started with one simple question: what if I actually do this? So don't wait for someday. Open your laptop, open your mind, and build your first app with me. Because if I can do it, so can you. I'll see you on the channel.